Um, First of all, let me say I'm really, really privileged and honored to be here with Mr. Doble. I have very high regard for him. I think he's an enormously amazing man. Secondly, this initiative in particular, missingpeopleinfo.com. I think it's a wonderful initiative. I think it's got so much potential, and the fact that we're doing it today, here and now, it's going to help so many people. So you're going to get blessed, and तुम्हाला खूप आशीर्वाद भेटणार आहे त्याच्यानंतर. Sir, I'm very happy.
See, every year thousands of people are going missing. Out of that, 90% people are returning home on their own or traced by their relatives. The remaining 10% have to be traced by the police or the concerned authorities. Now, searching them physically is quite difficult, so we have developed this app and the website with the help of the technology, which will help us to trace the remaining missing people, and this will also help the police to reduce their work.
I think it's going to be very helpful. I think I heard that lady's question as well, and let me clarify that. According to what I have been explained about the website, is that once you are a volunteer, you have to simply upload the picture onto the website, and you have to simply put in where you have clicked this picture as a volunteer. So that is the extent of your contribution to finding and contributing to the website, and that in itself, I think, makes it so viable for each and every one of us in this country to take a step forward. Because I think we're all worried most of the time, okay, what if we do this? How much of our involvement will it take? And that's one of the major points that I felt is a very pro and plus to this website, that anybody can click a picture of the beggars around you, of the people around you who you think are homeless, who you think may have a home somewhere and have not been able to find it for whatever reasons, especially the children that we see. So I think it's something that is honestly, I'm glad that we started it here in Maharashtra. I hope that they can eventually link it to all the police stations and FIRs that have been put up all over the country. I think that in itself will make such a huge database and link all the agencies throughout the country. So I think the purpose is fantastic. I know for a fact that once they do that, that in itself will make a huge library and a huge difference to all the missing people all over the country. I am here simply as a stand-in to my other half today. Yes, I am simply here as a stand-in to my other half. But yes, whatever support I can offer morally, I will definitely do so. And I think Ajay is more than enough. More than enough.
हरवलेल्या लोकांना शोधण्यासाठी आम्ही प्रथम प्रयत्न करणार आहे. क्रिमिनल्स लोकांना शोधणे पोलिसांचं काम आहे. त्यांना ते जर वाटलं आमची मदत पाहिजे तर आम्ही जरूर करू.
ज़रूर, अगर मुझे लगता है, I will be definitely one of the volunteers, and I think that it's something to do with what all of us believe somewhere. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि हम सब सोचते हैं कि कभी-कभी कि हमें हाथ देना नहीं चाहिए, या कभी-कभी हमें मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम बीच में पड़ जाएंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा. तो हम शायद थोड़े सेल्फिशली सोचते हैं, और शायद ये इस वजह से भी सोचते हैं कि ओ माय गॉड, हाँ कितना सारा करना पड़ेगा, मुझे पुलिस स्टेशन जाना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ नाइस वे ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस स्टैंडिंग अप. और मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि जो द वे वी as citizens, as Mumbaikars, I would say that we have this fantastic ability. हम में सब ये ability है मुंबईकर में कि हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं, हम खड़े होके एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. I think so that's something that I think all of us as people, as citizens, as human beings will get up and do it. Yes, and it's made easier. I think that's why the website is so awesome actually.
And the verification also pretty easy process. It is just like when you create a Facebook or a Twitter account. Where if you have a Facebook account or a Twitter account or a LinkedIn account, you'll be immediately accepted as a volunteer. But your movements will be monitored. Whether it should not be vested interest or it should not be something which will be with an intention to harm somebody's reputation. Once that verification is done by the back office team, then it will be open for accepting all information that you'll upload from your mobile. The best part is, there is no hassles for the volunteers who will upload information. They will not be contacted again. Once the information comes to us, the backend team will do the job and get in touch with the concerned people at the police station or the other government agencies.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.